second job. We're in Janali again today. So basically NBN has, these are a bunch of shops and offices and stuff here. So I'm down a little side alley and they've got their main HFC cable coming to here, and then they're running the RG6s out of that up along this ducting here, and then out the front of the shops, or on the side of the shops, they've got their little NBN HFC breakout boxes here. So this one is for this customer. So basically NBN come out to do the installation, told him it was going to be too hard. So what they did is they drilled a hole there where you can see my cable going through, and another one here in the loop. They've drilled a hole here. And then check this out for beautiful tradesmanship. Here's the office here at the back. And then they've punched a nice dirty big hole through the wall there. So the customer's fuming, and because they didn't want to do the job, so he's called us out today to do it. So basically he just wants to get his modem working. So he just wants it all clipped up. We're just going to clip it down the wall there, and then put like a little skirting mount socket on this, because right behind here is all brick. So to actually do one with a socket or recess, you'd have to chase the wall. He doesn't want to do that. So yeah, we're just going to put a little skirting socket here just to get him going. So it should be pretty straightforward. More HFC work. It's all happening at the moment. NBN is making a big dent in the Shire at the moment. They're really sort of ramping it up. So yeah. So now I've got the cable here at the NBN box, but as you can see, NBN hasn't put an isolator in this one. So the silly buggers are going to have to come back and put one. This customer is going to lose it. We've just got our cable clipped up along his wall there, up nice and high, so now I can get to it. You can see, pretty high up. So yep, this is just about done now. Alright, so that's it. Run it down the wall, put a little socket on here for him. Now we can plug all his gear in and get his office up and running, which it's been about 2 months in the making. So we have a very happy customer. I just spoke to him and he's ready to go. So I'm Jason. So if you need HFC work done, like this one that we just did here, or any of the other jobs, give us a call at Securicom. Links and phone number will be in the description below. Bye-bye.